Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Edge 40 and today I'll show you how you can put this phone into boot mode. To get started we'll need to turn it off by holding power key and volume up, which will bring our boot options. You're going to select power off, and when the device turns off you want to hold power key and volume down at the same time. And this will boot us into boot mode. Now this could also be considered as fast boot mode, which is written right down here, but this device has another fast boot mode as well by going into the recovery mode, and you can access it from there if you want to. Now going back to this mode, you can navigate through the options which will appear right here using your volume buttons. So if I scroll down, next option is restart bootloader, which just brings me back to where I am right now anyway. Next one, recovery mode, power off, barcode, bootloader logs, and then we're back to start. So I'm just going to confirm it using power key, and this will bring me back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.